Next question 4 and 5, do it as homework. I will explain how to do this question, but I will not do the calculation. Okay, do it as homework. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repairs. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, what is the selling price of the article? So first try to understand the meaning of question. One person brought one product by 15,500 rupees. Again he spent 450 rupees extra, correct? That means he spent first 15,500, again 450 rupees for the entire article, correct? So we have to calculate total cost of an article. That means this cost plus overhead expense. That means overhead expense means he expense he spent 450 rupees. So this cost plus expense, we will get the total cost of that article. That means 15,500 plus 450 is equal to 15,950 rupees. That is the total cost he spent for that article. Okay, and again after that he sold that product. At that time he got 15% profit means again he gained some money after selling that product to another person. Okay, so now he spent total of this much rupees and he has profit of 15%. So profit percentage is mentioned in the question, so we have to calculate the find the selling price of the article, correct? So I am writing here profit percentage equation. You know that profit divided by cost price into 100. Profit percentage, which is given in the question, 15, is equal to profit, we don't know, we have to calculate. I written profit divided by cost to price, total price of spending, that is 15,950 into this 100. From this equation you should calculate profit amount. You will get here 2,392.50 rupees. So this is the profit. That means if he is selling that product, he will gain extra this much of rupees. That means we have to calculate selling price of this one. That means the total amount he spent plus his profit, we will get the total selling price. So we will calculate selling price of the article. How can we calculate? This cost price plus profit. You should learn all these equations, otherwise you cannot do this question. Equations are very important in this chapter, so by heart all these equations. It is very important chapter and very difficult to understand the method, very difficult. Okay, so selling price of article means this cost price he spent the whole amount for that article, that is 15,950 plus profit amount. This is his profit amount 2,392.50. So adding these two numbers we will get the total selling price of that article. This is the final answer. Do it as homework. Next question, a VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000. So he brought two product, VCR and TV. Total cost it is 8,000 rupees, which is given in the question. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percentage on the whole transaction. So it is given that VCR and TV, each product price is 8,000 rupees. That means VCR price is equal to 8,000 and TV cost also is equal to 8,000 rupees. Okay, so it is again stating that profit of 8% on TV again, and loss of loss of 4% on VCR also. So loss in VCR, that is 4%, profit in TV, that is 8%. We have to calculate, find the gain or loss percentage, profit or loss percentage on the whole transaction. Okay, so we can calculate separate means first VCR and next TV calculation. Okay, so we know that cost to price means buying price of VCR. First I am taking VCR, cost to price of VCR, which is given in the question, 8,000. And what is the loss percentage of VCR? That is 4%. So loss is equal to 4%. That is also given in the question. Okay, so I am asking that if we brought a product for rupees 100, we have loss of 4%. What is the 4% of 100 rupees? 4 rupees, correct? So if we are having loss means we have to subtract that 4 from the total rupees 100. That means 100 minus 4 is equal to 96 we will get. The same method I am applying here. If cost price is 100, actually the cost price is 8000, but I am assuming that if this cost price is 100, then we can write selling price. We have 4% loss. That means amount is decreasing. Selling price is 4 rupees less than this 100. That means 96 rupees. Okay. So when cost price is 8000, we have to calculate the selling price. That means this 96% of 8000 we have to calculate. That is the method. Okay. So when cost price is 8000, we have to calculate 96% of this 8000. 96% means 96 divided by 100 of into 8000. We will get the answer is equal to 7680 rupees. This is the cost price of selling price of this article VCR. Next I am calculating the selling price of TV. We know that cost price of TV is 8000 and it has profit 8%. So if we suppose to buy a product by 100 rupees, it has 8% profit means 8 rupees extra we are getting, correct? So we can write if cost price is 100 rupees, then the selling price is extra 8 rupees, 8% extra 8. So 100 plus 8, 108 rupees is the total selling price. So we have to calculate when the cost price is 8000, we have to calculate the selling price. So when cost price is 8000, selling price is equal to 108, 108% of 8000 we have to calculate. Here we are calculating 96% of the amount. Here we are calculating 108% is the amount. How we got this 96 and 108? 96 means loss of 4%. So 100 minus 4 we will get 96. Here it is 8% gain profit. So 100 plus that profit, 100 plus that 8, we will get 108. So calculating 108% of total amount 8000. So 108% means 108 divided by 100 into 8000. We will get one amount. So this is the selling price of first article VCR. This is the selling price of second article. What is that? TV. So we have to calculate. This is the selling price. This is the selling price. So I am calculating total selling price. First selling price amount plus second selling price amount. So we will get 7680 plus 8640 is equal to 16,320 rupees is the total selling price. What is the total cost price? One article cost price is 8000 VCR. Again, TV cost price is 8000. So total cost price is 8000 plus 8000, 16,000. That is the total cost price. Total selling price we got is 16,320. Next we have to check selling price is greater one or cost price is greater one. Selling price and cost price, if we are comparing, selling price is the greater number. So we can write total selling price is greater than total cost price. That means if selling price is greater than, then that means the profit comes. Profit, the amount gain, that is the meaning. Okay. So we can say that there was a profit. So I am calculating profit amount. This selling price minus cost price. This 16,320 minus 16,000 we will get 320 is the profit amount. This also do it as homework.